Hello friends and welcome. I am your friend Chetan Bhola and you are watching Bhola Moto. In this video we will be discussing about the battery that we use in bikes and cars. I will be explaining you the working behind it and some specifications and which battery you should use in your bike or car. I will be explaining you that, so please keep watching this video till the end. You are going to learn some good stuff in this video. If you are new to the channel, you can subscribe it right now and please share this video to your friends also. So this is an Amaran battery and I would like to tell you the specifications of these batteries first. So these are the lead acid batteries. Most of the time we use lead acid batteries. This is another battery, but the specifications are written on it. You can see the specifications. This is some OKY battery. I don't know, it might be a Chinese battery, but it shows that it is having 12 volt. Most of the batteries that you use in the automotive are the 12 volt batteries. We use 12 volt batteries because most of the electrical appliances which are connected in the automobiles are operating on the 12 volts only. So if you use a battery of more voltage, then they may get fused, and also if you use some of less voltage, that they might not work. So that's why 12 volt is the appropriate voltage that you should use. And the current is not specified on this battery. You might have seen that the current are not specified on these batteries. The current is the thing that the equipment draws from the source. It is not provided by this battery. It is not going to forcefully push the 5 ampere or something into the equipment. If the equipment require any current, it will just suck from this battery. So there is the capacity written over here. The capacity is 2.5 ampere hour. The capacity written here is in ampere hour, that is ampere into time, that is current into time, which shows the charge that it can store. So 2.5 ampere hour, you can calculate the charge from here, and this amount of charge it is going to store. So the capacity is written, the voltage is written, and nothing else. Now if I would like to tell you that these are the two terminals which are connected from the circuit, and these are the only two terminals from which you can charge this and from which you can discharge it. I would like to tell you that there are few cells inside it. As you can see, this is the Amaran battery that I want to show you. There are several holes inside it. These are the holes for different cells, so that you can fill out the electrolyte in it and just easily connected. There are 6 cells inside this battery. So that's why it is called a battery, because the combination of cell makes a battery. So as I heard about the Amaran batteries are the best, that I got the reviews from the people that I saw on the internet. Most of the people are recommending this Amaran battery, but it's up to you which battery you use. They are giving some 48 months of warranty. And people are like not satisfied with the battery of Exide, but yeah, Exide is a good name in the industry, but I don't know why people are not recommending that. People are strongly recommending this. So I will suggest you to buy this. Why don't you go on the reviews of the customers? So you may buy this, and whatever you want, you can. I will be giving you the links of what I feel like you can use in your battery. For maintaining your battery, you should keep a watch on the water level inside these cells. If you are using a car battery, then there are several. You can easily see these holes in that, and you can easily see the water level inside that. So please keep the level up to the mark of the water, so that they don't get drained. And also the other thing is that whenever the battery got discharged, you can charge it via using some adapter. Because most of the time you just go to the mechanic and just ask him. What he does is he only charges the battery. So you can use it is clearly mentioned here for charging a battery. You can use the alternator which can provide 0.3 ampere of the current, and the voltage must be 12 volt, and it will require about 5 to 10 hours to get charged completely. On the other hand, if you want to charge it quickly, then you have to use an adapter which can provide 1.3 amperage current, and also the voltage is 12 volt again, and the time it will require will be 1 hour only. So in that way you can charge it. On the other hand, you need to keep the battery in such a place where it doesn't get a lot of vibrations, because this plastic body can be broken, and if this breaks, there might be chances of the leakage of the electrolyte. On the other hand, you need to keep this battery away from the engine or some hot side, because if you keep this in the hot side, then it may affect the alternator. It may affect the electrolyte inside it. so that's why it is required to be kept somewhat distant from the engines also. So I would like to tell you what's inside this battery. I already told you there are 6 cells in this battery. So let us assume this is a one cell. So 6 cells are like this. They just did the partition of this like this, and this is the strip that we are talking about right now. So these are the 2 electrodes. One is positive and another is the negative electrode. The positive electrode is the lead peroxide electrode, and the negative electrode is the lead electrode. So this is the lead only because we are talking about the lead acid batteries. So positive electrode, the cathode is the PbO2 and the anode is the Pb. And the electrolyte that we use is the H2SO4, and it is diluted H2SO4. So for dilution you have to use the distilled water only, because the tap water can destroy these electrodes. Now there is some chemical reaction that took place inside this, that PbO2 plus H2SO4 plus Pb gives PbSO4 plus H2O plus Pb, and from this reaction there is the transfer of the electrons in this circuit. The electrons from the positive electrode jumps into the electrolyte, then these electrons climb on this anode, and this whole thing when completely make a circuit, this forms a current, and then in this way this battery works. So I hope from this video you will learn something. If you learn something, please share this video with your friends so that they can also understand how batteries work. I will be providing you the link of these batteries which you can buy from in the description. You can find the links, and I will be making other videos about what are the troubles that can happen to the battery and how you can repair it. I will be explaining each and everything about how you can repair it and what are the troubles. So please watch that video also. If you are watching this video after I publish that video, so you will be getting the link right here or a video right here. If you're not getting it, please wait for that. I will be publishing that video very soon. So please subscribe to my channel, and please hit the bell icon so get updated whenever a new video comes here. Thanks a lot guys for watching. Keep sharing and keep supporting guys. Thanks a lot.